Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to verify our account in BitMart. Click on the user menu and go to the verification. In the verification section, you can verify your account in two ways: personal or institution verification. We choose the personal verification, which are divided into two levels: starter and advanced. The first level is starter, which we click on the verify now. Choose the country of residence and click on confirm. Enter your first name, last name, place of birth, date of birth, and click on confirm. Level 1 verification has been completed and we go for the level 2 verification, which we click on verify now. You see the details and features of the verification level 2. Click on verify now. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone and choose the country of residence plus the documents that you want to upload, which you can upload ID card, driver's license, or passport. We choose the ID card and you take a picture of the front side of the ID card and the back side of the ID card. After uploading ID card pictures, you must take a selfie. As you can see, our account was fully verified under 5 minutes. Good luck!